First up, speed and power. The Singer 4423 boasts an impressive 1,100 stitches per minute, allowing you to tackle projects with efficiency and precision. No more waiting around, get those seams done in a flash. Whether you're working with denim, canvas, or leather, this machine can handle it all. The heavy-duty metal frame provides stability, ensuring skip-free sewing and durability for those challenging materials. Customization is key, and the 4423 knows it. With an adjustable presser foot, you can easily accommodate various fabric thicknesses. Say goodbye to uneven stitches, and hello to professional-looking results every time. No more squinting or frustration, threading the needle is a breeze with the built-in needle threader. Spend less time threading and more time bringing your creative visions to life. Versatility is the name of the game. Choose from 23 built-in stitches, including essential, stretch, and decorative stitches. Experiment with your designs and add that personal touch to every project. In conclusion, the Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine is a true workhorse, combining speed, power, and versatility. If you're serious about your craft, this machine is here to elevate your sewing experience. Ready to take the plunge? The Singer 4423 awaits,